Alright guys, so I'm going to be making a messenger ad, and I'm going to be sharing the results with you guys, week 1, week 2, week 3, that kind of thing. So let's get started. We're in the auto dealership, so we got to pick the special category, and I'm going to just be running through this. I'm not going to go in full detail. So we pick messages. We're just going to call this message campaign. I named them later. I usually start at $5 a day. Depends on how well I think the ad is going to do. Boom, $5. Again, I changed the names at the end. So it's going to be a straight up messenger ad. The location is going to be Anchorage, Alaska. Boom. Boom, boom. I'm not going to add any targeting. I'll end up doing that later. So we're going to edit the placements. We always edit the placements. We don't let Facebook choose for us. We pick 2 or 3 placements that we master, and then we stick with those. So I'm not going to do Instagram. I'm going to do Facebook newsfeed. I'm going to do the marketplace, and I will do, actually that's it. I'm just going to stick with those 2. Boom. Show more options. So that's about it. Boom. Spending limits. None. Impressions. Done. So boom. Now we're on to the creative part. This is the part where we add the photo. So I'm just going to add a single image on this one. So it's already checked. Boom. We're going to add an image. I already uploaded these images. And basically this ad is going to be a review ad from a guy who sent us a review on Google. I'm just going to take the photo that he posted on Google, and I'm going to use part of his quote. I'm going to use part of his comment, and I'm going to use it as a quote. So Facebook wants us to select a square. We'll do that. Let's just get half of his face. That's good enough. We don't want to show his whole face. Boom. I always make my ads before I ever create them. So I'm going to take this word here. And if you have Grammarly or some way to check your grammar, copy and paste, check it. I just use this free thing right here. Okay. Primary text. Headline is going to say connect in Messenger. And we like to personalize everything, so we're going to put, I use this headline a lot. You're approved, just message us to confirm. Description, no description. Alright, we're going to try it on the top, just to try something different. I always do it on the bottom. So we're going to use an existing messenger setup. Yep, we're going to go with this one here. So this is what the ad looks like right here. And I'm going to show you guys, it doesn't take much. You don't need any targeting. You can target cold audiences as long as your message is clear, and you'll be able to get some fantastic results, and I'll prove it to you guys. All right. Boom. We're gonna not deal with all of that. So we're gonna review it, and this is when I usually name it. So boom, just like that. It's that easy. So now I'm gonna create 3 more ads, and I'm gonna speed up the footage because I'm sure you guys don't want to sit here all day. So I'll speed up the footage, and at the end I'll show you guys the day 1 results, and then I'll continue on with the cycle. I'll show you guys day 2, day 5, day 7, day 100, whatever you guys want to see. So stay tuned. Alright, so I have finished creating the 4 ads, and I will show you guys what those ads look like. And one's a video, the rest are just 3 photos that I pulled from my client's page. Nothing too crazy. The only thing I do to these photos is I run them through, Lightroom, and I, put some filters on them just so that they pop out when they're on the news feed. They don't look like anything else that's on the news feed, because you got to understand that Facebook ads and Facebook marketing is interruption marketing. You got to catch someone's attention. So I make sure that the ads have a lot of contrast and a lot of color, and they stand out and they pop. Also, having humans in the ad, the human element also gets people to pay attention. So as long as your ad is simple, it's direct, it doesn't confuse the audience, you'll be good. You don't need to target anyone. We do target people, and we do specific detailed targeting, but that's at a later date. I'm just going to show you guys how to get results by targeting just a cold audience. So I didn't even limit the radius. Basically, I'm targeting just a city, a 15-mile radius, and I'm going to show you guys how accurate these ads and how efficient these ads can be without any targeting whatsoever. No special abilities, just good quality photos, good quality text, and a great offer. I'm going to show you guys. We're targeting cold audiences. We're not doing anything special. So, all right, we are logged into the ads manager. And look, these are the 4 ads I created. So it's been maybe 15 hours. I created them last night at midnight, and it's about 1 p.m. right now. So one of these ads are doing very well. We already got 3 messaging conversations at 76 cents per result. The video and the review ad too they do not have any results yet. I won't totally give up on the ads until like day 4. If I get to day 4 and I haven't gotten at least 3 messaging conversations, then I'll turn the ad off or change it. Those are your options. And then the top one that says not your average, the one of the picture of the truck with the background, that one has 1 result at $2.16. We're still profitable. Like, we could pay $100 per lead and still be profitable, but the guidelines that I set for myself, that way I can ensure I get the most messaging conversations for the smallest amount of dollars. So whenever they click the ad, it sends them, hi Michael, thanks for showing interest, how can we help you? And then it gives them like this little photo, and it says up to $1,000 towards down payment. And then there's an automatic pop-up on their end, and this is how we distinguish between the people who just accidentally clicked it or the people who actually want to learn more. The people who do want to learn more, they click I'd like to learn more, and then we send them this piece right here. All of this stuff is automated. Like, I set this up before I set up the ad, and it says, hey Michael, thanks for checking us out. We are a USAA dealer with a 4.8 rating on Google. We introduce who we are. We tell them, we give them a number. We tell them, click below if you want to get pre-approved. We just automate it. And the people who are serious about getting approved, they're gonna click that link and they're gonna respond back, and then we're gonna push for the appointment. That's it. It's that simple. Alright guys, so we're on day 4, and I'm going to show you guys the results. I haven't increased the budget. I didn't scale. I left all these ads at $5 a day. I ran them for 4 days. Normally I'd turn off some ads if they were bad, but I kept them running just so I could show you guys what the process is on the back end. So we're on day 4. We spent $60 because we ran 4 ads at $5 a day. So our first ad with the customer with the truck has 6 messaging conversations. Each ad we spent $15 on. So we're generating conversations for $2.47. The second ad is the customer with the other truck behind the flag. That one generated 1 conversation at $14.97. So basically that ad is not where I want it to be, so I'm going to turn it off. The only reason why I haven't turned it off is because I wanted to show you guys the day 4, so typically I would have turned that ad off once it got to $6-7, but I kept it on so I could show you guys, what my process is on the back end. So then we got the third ad, which is the one with just the truck and the flag. That one generated 6 conversations. It's doing as well as the first ad, and we got a result of $2.42. And the last ad is the video ad, and that one's not doing too well. So at this point, I'm going to turn off those 2 ads, and I'm going to try to adjust them and fix them, and we're going to start this process over. I'm just showing you guys the most basic level, how you can be profitable without doing anything else other than running the ads at $5 per day. So we generated 14 conversations on an ad spend of $60, and a total per messaging cost at $4.24. So I'm going to show you guys the ads, and then I'm going to show you guys the responses from the customers on the back end. So here's the ad with the truck. We got 4 likes, 3 comments. This is what it looks like. This is the ad number 2. This is the guy, the truck, and the flag. We got 7 likes, 2 comments, 1 share. So then we got the truck with the flag, simple text. We got 8 likes, 5 comments. And then the video ad, we got 1 like, 3 comments, 2.9K views. Even though I liked it, I still count it as a like. Oh well. So now that you've seen the ads, let's hop into the conversations. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. Of these 14 conversations, I'm going to show you guys how we schedule appointments off of these conversations. We got this person to agree to an appointment and complete our pre-approval form over the phone. So what that does is by the time they show up to the dealership, we can get them funded. We already know what kind of vehicle fits their budget. We know what kind of payments they want, and we have all their information. So when they show up, they can be in and out of the dealership within an hour. So this is stuff that we handle for our clients. So literally, we schedule appointments for our clients. They already been pre-approved because we get them to fill out this pre-approval form. So it's literally that simple. All our clients have to do is sell the vehicle, and that's why they're willing to pay us $300 to $500 or 10 to 20% every time a vehicle is sold. This is the second person. We scheduled an appointment at 10 a.m. It is now almost 3 o'clock p.m. They did show up. They purchased the vehicle. That's the second sale. We schedule an appointment for this person at noon, and they have a vehicle as well. And if you guys know about my training, I told you guys you can make extra money when a customer brings in a vehicle and purchases a vehicle from the dealership because they can profit 2 times. So in that case, we would charge the dealership $500 per sale. So this person showed up, they sold their vehicle, and they purchased a better vehicle, and I made $500 on this conversation here. So then we have someone else who messaged, I'd like to learn more. Can you help me? They haven't showed up yet, but we're in the process of working this person, and I do believe that they will purchase sometime in the future. Here's another person that said, I'd like to learn more. They're interested, so we're working them. We're going to push for the appointment on them as well. We got another person right here who asked us about a certain vehicle. We sent him a photo, and he said he's coming over there, and I just got confirmation from the owner right now, and he's down there right now, so they're trying to get him approved. So if that works through, that could be the 4th sale. Then we got a bunch of people who are just interested, saying, I'd like to learn more. We got a few people who are saying, can I get pre-approved right now? So we send them the link, and then once they let us know that they finished it, or we get a notification on the back end that they finished the link, then we call them up right away and we schedule for the appointment. You know, it's way easier to get someone to buy a vehicle once they've been pre-approved, because then we can deal with actual numbers. We know what they can get approved on, and we can actually put them in a vehicle before they ever get down there. So we got someone who we're working on getting them to fill out the pre-approval form, and then we're going to push for the appointment. Here's another person who's interested. Here's another person who's interested. Here's another person who wants to get pre-approved right now. And those are the 14 conversations that we generated for $60. We got 4 sales and possibly 3 more on the back end. So this is a huge profit for my client, even though we only spent $60 over a 4-day period without ever touching the ads, just running them at $5 per day, no targeting, cold audiences, having simple 1-sentence, 2-sentence text, good quality photos, good offers, and that's all it takes to generate money for your clients. This is why clients are going to pay you thousands of dollars per month, and this is proof right here. All these conversations turn into sales for my clients. It's that simple. Literally, it's that simple. It's a 2-step process. We run ads, they click the ads, they say they're interested, we get them to fill out pre-approval forms, and we push for the appointment. That's it. So it's that simple. We generated 14 conversations on a $60 ad spend, and we sold 4 vehicles already, and we're planning on selling 3 more, which is a total profit for my client between $8,000 and $14,000 for my client, and for myself, this is a total profit between $2,000 and $4,000 for my agency. It's that simple. It's only been 4 days. I never touched the ads. I never did any targeting, cold audiences. It's that simple. So my agency will profit between $2,000 and $4,000 just in 4 days using this method here, working with auto dealerships, not charging them retainers, and instead charging them commission and getting the money on the back end. It's that simple. If you want to learn more, I have a free training. Click the link below.